In the bustling online metropolis of Lumina City lived Maya, a tech whiz, building her dream startup. Her digital life pulsed with innovation, her code humming like a symphony. But behind the dazzling interface, one chink remained in her armor. A single password guarding her virtual kingdom. One day, Digital Shadow, sleek and silent, slithered past Maya's defenses. They called him the Phantom, a notorious hacker who feasted on vulnerabilities. He sniffed out Maya's lone password, whispered through a stolen cookie on her favorite bakery website. With a click, the Phantom unlocked her castle, plundered her ideas, and vanished into the digital fog. Devastation painted Maya's face. Months of work, dreams woven into code, vanished like pixels in the void. She scrambled to rebuild, but the echo of the Phantom's laughter haunted her every keystroke. It wouldn't have happened, Liam, her gruff but brilliant mentor, rumbled, if you had a digital guard dog. He introduced her to two-factor authentication to FA, a loyal sentinel demanding not just a password, but a secret handshake, a code whispered to your phone, a fingerprint scan, a trusted key. Hesitant at first, Maya embraced 2FA. It felt like an extra layer of armor, a shield forged in trust. Her phone became her trusty knight, buzzing with codes at every login attempt. Soon, it wasn't just a nuisance, but a comforting chime, a digital handshake sealing her kingdom shut. One night, the Phantom returned, drawn by the scent of fresh code. He brandished Maya's stolen password, a smirk twisting his digital face. But 2FA stood firm. Her phone buzzed, a frantic plea for validation. The Phantom, unable to mimic the secret handshake, vanished into the shadows, defeated. Maya, once prey, now a seasoned digital warrior, smiled. The lesson etched deep. A single password was a flimsy gate, 2FA, an impregnable fortress. She spread the word, becoming a champion for digital security. Her story echoing through Lumina City, a beacon against the lurking shadows. Remember, friends, in the digital realm, trust is not blind, it's guarded. Let not convenience be your downfall. Fortify your gates with 2FA, a password's loyal companion. Protect your dreams, your creations, your piece of the online world. Because true security, like courage, comes not from walls, but from the vigilant guardians within.